Ooh. It's kind of sticking to my finger. Hey, and welcome to Nailed It.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo.
Summer edition.
Yeah,
Kinda.
No, it is definitely summer.
It's kind of like summer.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a little segment where we try all those beautiful, perfect, wonderful things from the internet and just...
I mean, our track record speaks for itself. Let's take a few looks.
Our unicorn had a traumatic brain injury. Hold on.
Is that what it's supposed to look like? Right, so obviously always we crush it.
What I love most is watching those cooking videos on Facebook when it shows like just beautiful overhead shots and everything looks so perfect.
And there's always like dainty music, like ding, 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 perfect.
Well, somebody sent us one they want us to try.
Okay, oh, I haven't seen this yet.
Yeah, in those videos, they don't actually give you directions
Nope.
or ingredients or anything, so we're gonna do our best. Ready?
Yeah. There's that music.
So they call this one the Marshmallow Choc Shots. Marshmallow Choc Shots.
Say that 5 times.
From,
Fast. Go 5 times really quick.
Marshmallow Choc Shots. Marshmallow Choc Shots. Marshmallow Choc Shots. From the Craft Factory on Facebook by Kidspiration. First of all, they start with mega marshmallows. I couldn't find any. I went to 3 stores. And these are the biggest marshmallows I could find.
It's like those stores want you to be a little more healthy. I don't even like marshmallows. I also hate marshmallows.
How do you hate marshmallows?
They make me gag.
So here's what I think you'll need. Some mega marshmallows, or in our case, just the biggest you can find. White chocolate, chocolate syrup, whipped cream, because we're gonna do this over our stove, little skewers. They said chocolate mousse, but I feel like we're just gonna do chocolate pudding instead.
Are those the same thing?
No, but also the process to make mousse is extreme, and I just didn't want to do that.
All right, so wait, but it's like, isn't that the same stuff in mousse as there is in pudding?
I think so.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get started. So we're just gonna do this over the stove, right? Because we don't have like a campfire. Okay, theirs looked really golden. Let me try again. Hold on, let me try again. Wait, now you're putting... Honey, it's gonna be black.
That's what good marshmallows look like.
No, they're not supposed to be black.
That's how I eat them.
Well, then it's bad for you.
This whole thing is bad for you. I got it to work. There you go. I'm now going for the rapid rotation technique. We need like one of those torches.
I don't think we should be trusted with a torch in the house.
A little bit better if you think?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna try this time just not picking it up for a second, letting it cool off.
Ooh.
Right. I think you even wait longer.
It's all over my shirt. This is great. Just brings about all those summer memories of sitting around a campfire. I did not have fond camping memories. Extreme constipation after not wanting to poop in the woods.
Oh, you just couldn't let it go.
No. Try this one. We're gonna sit it down for a second, right? Yeah, see?
Better. Okay, hang on. Upper shot, engage. Doom, ding, diggity, doom, doom. Put a graphic on it that says, add the chocolate, ding dong dongity doo. It goes right there in the negative space. Kind of gross. All right, so we're putting the pudding in now?
Yeah.
All right, so should we do some more graphics?
Yes.
Like above?
Yeah, hold on. Well, they had it like in a piping bag. I'm gonna use a...
Doctor Strange Ziploc bag?
Yes. Because that's the same thing, right?
Is it gonna look like Benedict Cumberbatch is pooping pudding out of the bottom of him? It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Try to poke the hole somewhere where it's funny. I am an Avenger magician, filled with chocolate pudding. Then
we add the chocolate mousse pudding.
Ding 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 ding. Oh wow, Benedict, that was some pretty good handiwork there, hun.
I know.
This is some good work, dude.
What?
We might be nailing this. Ding 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 ding. Add the pudding. Put the graphic there.
Now whipped cream, and you definitely don't take a shot of whipped cream first. Ready? Oh, we were supposed to refrigerate. We were supposed to refrigerate those. Whatever, it's fine. And then they put on sprinkles. And then they drizzled some chocolate. Okay, drizzle, Okay, doesn't it look so fancy? And then sprinkles. I mean, they're gonna give us our own cooking show.
So let's put it in the fridge and hope that this doesn't all like go.
Well, you put it in the fridge?
Yeah.
We skipped a step, but it's fine. Put it in the fridge for 30 minutes before this step, but this is fine. Okay.
Oh look, our kids are here.
Our kids are home from school. Ready? Let's see.
Sprinkles.
Marshmallow Choc Shots.
Yeah,
What's
Maybe
that?
refrigerating
Whoa.
was a mistake.
What happened?
You're really hard.
Oh no. Penn Charles?
Oh, he got the burn one.
So good.
Lola,
It's
your
really good.
face is not really good.
It's really good.
So maybe refrigerating it. I don't think you need to refrigerate it. They made it look so perfect, so hold on.
What's going on?
Yeah, sure.
Well,
It's kind of sticking to my finger.
so that's what you want to do, right?
Not as picture perfect,
Try the last one.
but delicious. No,
Lola, you've got to
Daddy's.
do something about your face.
This is really good. So, it's really good. So the white chocolate part is really hard. I thought I was gonna like chip my tooth or something, but it's like super good.
It's not very pretty. You should use the big marshmallows. You definitely shouldn't put it in the refrigerator with whipped cream on it. And maybe not even put it in the refrigerator at all. Do it just for 10 minutes or something.
Or
because-
maybe you should like put it in the microwave or something. After you do it.
But I think no matter, it tastes good. They don't look good, but they taste good. So I say, nailed it.